morning, Nubs. Good morning, Bobo. Good morning, guys. This is Isaac here, and this is a typical breakfast that I normally eat. I have some egg whites with a full egg, plain oatmeal with blueberries and cinnamon, good old Mr. Black coffee, and some agua. And yeah, so this is just a typical breakfast for me, and we'll see what's gonna be happening for the rest of my day. So this is my current physique update. I ate a couple pizzas a couple days ago, had a cheat meal, and I feel a little bloated still, but all in all, I don't look that bad. I have looked way worse though, and I'm not gonna lie, after this cheat meal, I felt really bloated, swollen, and it was due to the fact all the pizza I ate had so much sodium in it. And that's the thing, my body has been reacting lately. I don't know if you've ever seen it where your hands and feet have swollen up from sodium, but it's the real deal. It really happens. So this is my current physique update. Let's see how the rest of the day will go. So I got a haircut, and now I'm doing a chest fly. And on a chest fly movement, I like to keep my back arched and really just focus on hitting my pectoral major and minor. And in this video I sped it up, but normally I'd go as slow as possible, get a full contraction of the movement. Now I'm doing another chest movement, again keeping an arch in my back, and this is I'm doing a pronated grip. And with the battle ropes, I'm going up nice and slow, squeezing at the top, getting full range of motion, hitting pectoral major and minor. Boom. Chest fly with higher hands up to hit forward pectoral major, and just focusing on the upper pectoral and the lower pectoral. Focus on that squeeze and contraction, and just keeping all the pressure in my chest and not my front delts. Reverse pull downs, hitting my big head of my tricep. I like to flare my left elbow out and just really focus on that right side. And eventually when I switch to my left, you'll watch me transition as I just focus on flexing my back out, so that way I can target my full tricep, get the full movement extension at 90 degrees. Last thing, tricep extensions, going all the way down. Yo, what's up guys? I've got a great idea. So everyone to go to Starbucks, spend about $3.50 for a cold foam cold brew, which is a very good drink from there. And I'm gonna show you how to make your own today. So let's do this. It's mine. I like a lot of ice in mine. It just makes it colder. And now, take it right over here. Then, I go out this iced coffee blonde roast. Start from Starbucks as well. I'll dump into there. Yeah, let's do it right about that line. Maybe a little bit more. And now, I got this Skinny Girl caramel syrup, caramel mocha, which is 0 calories, great macros. Pour a little bit into there. A little bit more. Cool. It's about 2 shots. And now I got this Skinny Girl birthday cake foam. Oh, technical difficulties. Sorry about the dogs.
pump, 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 pump it up. And then put it in there, stir it up, and boom. If that doesn't look like Starbucks, I don't know what is. And there's your homemade cold foam cold brew. And if you like videos like this, please like, subscribe, and check it out.